Modere, the health and wellness company that built its name around the live clean lifestyle and a mix of collagen drinks, household products, and non-toxic personal care, has abruptly shut down after 23 years without any prior notice to its reps or customers. I looked into everything: the history, how their influencer-style MLM model worked, what their social marketers were promised, and how everything seemed to unravel behind the scenes. The website now just shows a closure message, no real explanation, which honestly left a lot of people in the community stunned and scrambling for answers. There were already signs something wasn't right: some internal drama, a few leadership shakeups, and even legal issues that were quietly surfacing before things came to a head. It's hard to say whether this was inevitable or a surprise move, but one thing is clear: many reps were left in the dark and didn't see it coming. Some are upset, others just confused. And there's a lot of talk now about what this could mean for the future of MLMs in general. Whether you were a fan of the products or just watching from the sidelines, this whole situation raises a lot of questions about trust, transparency, and the risks of these kinds of business models.